3, 10. Right 4 opens long, 50. Left 4, 30 long. Light 3 light, 60. Right K light, 120. Short left right 5 over crest, 120. Down, line, right square, 100. Late right K sub, 30. Small crest, 40. Right 4 in over crest, 20. Short left 3 into long right 5, tightens up, 30. Blind right crest into left K, 60. Short left 4, 40. Crest right side, 30. Left K don't, opens, hold, 10. Right 2 don't, 20. Left 2 light, 20 long. Left 3 into right 4. Left 4, 30, short right 3 out, 30 long, right 2 light, 20. Late left 2 don't, 50. Short right K don't, 40. Line left crest 30, short right 3, 60. Right K over crest 2, 40 down. Long left 5, tightens, 30. Short right 3 to left 5, tightens, 30. Small crest 10, short right 3 don't, hold into left K light, 120. Left square, 120. Short left right 5 over crest, 100. Left 3 tightens a bit, slippy, 60. Right 3 opens, 30 long. Right 3 into very long, left 5 tightens. Yep.